Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're looking at a 2019 Maserati Levante GranSport. This one is white. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 424 horsepower and 428 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch multi-spoke black wheels, Maserati yellow big brake calipers, GranSport badging on the side, black leather interior, panorama sunroof, round back, Q4 Maserati Levante badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, keyless entry, Maserati logo which appears when you open the door, Bowers and Wilkins sound system, push start ignition is on the left side of the vehicle, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a touchscreen media display, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, auxiliary and USB ports, automatic transmissions, different driving modes. This Maserati has 22,335 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Maserati Levante GranSport, visit us at feldmanimports.com.